Door dashing or when you're out and about, just look around. Just look around and say, I wonder if they need help. Wonder if they need help. So this is a way to continue to, increase any skills that you might want to get. Just look around and say, look at all these jobs in this place. And then I also think of this too as I'm starting to think about how to market my cleaning business. I'm like, I will call places too. And I'll be like, are you looking for a cleaner? So I have one place that actually I had applied as a waitress, and they're like, actually, we need help with cleaning now that you brought up you clean. So that would be my first big account. Is what I'm doing right now is kind of phone calls door to door for my own cleaning business. And then I need to figure out how to market in a better, bigger way. So, yeah, just look around you and think, who looks like they could use cleaning, who looks like they need help, and continue to invest in yourself that way.